Now, Delly, tell me a bit about yourself. Where did you start bowling?
I started playing indoor bowls at Port Fairy. That was 30 something years ago. And I got a package from the ANZ Bank and I moved back to Maryborough, where I was born. And I was a treasurer of the golf club here in Dunolly. And they said, what are you going to do now? Golf's finished. You're old enough to come and play bowls. So that was 1998. And I had 15 years here. Moved to Clunes from here, and I've been in Clunes ever since.
Who was the most prickly bowler that you found here at the bowling club in your 15 years?
Look, I couldn't say it. I found everyone quite well. There was certainly some characters here, and I would say Rob Weir was probably the most encouraging bowler I've ever played with. And he was very entertaining in our committee meetings. I'll tell a story. Back years ago, when they first brought in the food handling, the clubs had to pay a food handling licence fee. And Rob said, I've been playing tennis and bowls for 50 years. We know how to dish up afternoon tea. We're not paying it. I'll go to Darren Inch and I'll get on TV if they want to push it. He was very entertaining.
Yep.
There was quite a few characters on the green here. There was a bloke called Bert Dunner. He said he'd never had a wrong bias. And I said, in 20 years. And I said, that's great, Bert. He said, but I've only ever bowled one hand. I've never bowled a forehand in 20 years. So,
And you're bowling down at Clunes now?
yeah.
Yeah, how's it going down there?
Look, we've had mixed with some years we've gone great. I've had the luck to play in 4 premierships in 5 years. In Ballarat, when you can consider they've got 24 clubs and 9 divisions on Saturdays, it's quite a great thing in Clunes.